Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you all how to install this curly ponytail from Luxy Hair. I do want to give a big thank you to Luxy Hair for sponsoring this video. And I also want to remind you all to make sure that you're subscribed to my channel and that you don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you're alerted whenever I post a new video. So today I'm showing you all the Brond Luxy Hair ponytail, and this is one of the curly ponytails that they offer. It is 100% Remy human hair, and this ponytail in particular is 20 inches and 120 grams. It ends up being about 18 inches with the shrinkage from the curls, but it's still pretty lengthy and definitely more than I have naturally, so I'm here for it. And there are 20 different shades. They are a mix of solid color shades and there are mixed balayage tones. The solid colors are $159 and the balayage tones are $189. So this pony literally takes me no time to apply and it's super easy and convenient. So if you're looking for something for the summer to rock, to not have to add heat to your hair, and to just get you out of the house in the next 5 minutes, and to just keep on watching this video. Let's get started. Okay, so first things first, we're gonna go ahead and put our natural hair into a bun. This is going to help the ponytail look a little bit more natural, not so obvious. So I like to do this with my hair wet. So when my hair is wet, it does look a little darker. So my pony is just a little darker than my actual hair color, but it's not much of a difference. It's just up here that you see the contrast. So I'm just applying an oil to smooth it down. And then we're gonna lift it up into a bun. So with my Luxy hair comb, I'm gonna go ahead and start combing my hair back. And I haven't decided yet how I wanna do this bun. I think I might wanna do like a high pony. So I'll make the bun up high. I think I wanna just like swoop everything back and do a high pony. So let's go ahead and do that. Always make sure that the top is as flat as possible and that there are no bumps. If there's some bumps in the back, that's normally okay because the ponytail is gonna cover them anyway, but you wanna make sure that the bumps are not visible in the front. Okay, so I think I like it at about right here. And then I'm gonna get the hair tie and I'm gonna make it into a ponytail. So I do it in a ponytail before I do it in a bun because since my hair is naturally curly, it's not going to be like a very slick bun right away. I kind of have to comb through the hair first and sleek it down myself. So I'm just going to, I feel like this look is giving like right now before I put the pony on, I feel like it's giving like camp counselor vibes. I don't know, maybe that's just me. Okay, back to the tutorial. So keep smoothing everything down. Okay, then we're gonna get the pony, our natural pony. And again, if you have very short hair or naturally straight hair, you can skip this step. But we're just gonna make the bun as like tiny and low as possible. And then we're gonna secure it with another hair tie. You can do it with bobby pins, but I feel like with my hair, especially when it's like wet, it can get a little slippery and the hair can kind of like start poking out. So I just feel like it's more secure with another hair tie. This is kind of cute. I feel like I look like my mom in the 90s. Ooh. Okay, so now before I add the pony, I just want to make sure that this is all secure. So you can add your hair oil first. That's what I like to do just to give it a little more shine. I'm just going to add a little bit more hair oil to really sleek this down. And then I'm going to take some hairspray. It's not super hard. It's nice and flexible. And then back with my comb, I'm just going to flatten out the top of my head as much as possible. I think I like how flat it is. So now, this is the fun part. We're gonna go ahead and add the pony. I think I actually wanna like make it a little bit more voluminous and like fluff it up. So I am going to apply it normally right now. So there's a hook with 3 clips, and this is where we're gonna go and put it to secure the bun. So we're gonna insert that at the top of the bun, underneath of the bun, so it's gonna go down. Then we're gonna take this section of the hair that's with the Velcro, and we're gonna wrap it around the bun. And you wanna make sure that it's secure, like you're doing it as tightly as possible, because the Velcro needs to attach to the other part of the Velcro to really secure the pony. And then you're just gonna keep on wrapping. Wrap, wrap, wrap. And you're gonna wrap nice and tight because you want that clip to keep going like underneath the bun for a better look. So then you're gonna get your bobby pin and you're gonna start clipping down the hair from that strip of the pony. And I honestly got a couple. I like about 3 or 4 just to be safe and to make sure that I know that the pony isn't gonna go anywhere. And then I like to do one right up here too, just in case. So that's what the pony is gonna look like. Now I think I want it to be just a little bit more, like I said, voluminous. So I'm gonna like tease it a little bit, not too much. You don't want to add any product or like, you know, wet this. You just kind of want to let it be in its natural state because it's human hair and you don't want to ruin the curl pattern of the pony. So I actually really like how that looks when it's a little bit more zoomed up. So I'm just really just pushing my comb upwards. And as you can see, you literally can't see the bun. The bun is non-existent. I used to do my ponies with my hair just slick straight and the hair would like be in just a pony, not a bun, and my pony would be on top and you could obviously see the hair, but now I've, you know, learned and practiced and then just add my last minute finishing touches. And that's basically it. I honestly love ponies, especially during summer. These are humidity resistant, so like I said, I have curly hair and I love to heat style my hair. So when I wear my hair naturally, I always am prepared for it to get frizzy and I can never really enjoy myself the way I want to because I know my hair is gonna get messed up. So I love ponies because they allow you to just relax and not worry about your hair getting messed up in the heat. And they're just so easy. You can honestly save your hair a lot too. And during the summer, my hair is so healthy because I hardly apply any heat to it because I'm always wearing my ponies. So I like to alternate with straight ponies, curly ponies, but honestly, I'm loving this curly pony. And I think that you guys should definitely try it. Don't forget to use my discount code. It is LXPatricia. I'm gonna link it right down here. You can also find my link down in the description box. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you guys learned a thing or two. And if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to comment down below. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you guys in my next video.